Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College Pune. Subject Information Technology, Standard 12 Science. Video created and presented by Mr. Nitin Vadgure. Today we are going to start part 2 of chapter 2, Introduction to SEO of Standard 12 Science. In our previous part, we have discussed about introduction to SEO, search engine optimization, examples of search engine, Google, Yahoo, Bing, types of SEO. There are two types of SEO, on-page SEO and off-page SEO. Figure shows the types of SEO. Also, we have discussed about the techniques of SEO. There are two types of techniques. First is white hat SEO and second is black hat SEO. We have also discussed about the strategies and differences between black hat SEO and white hat SEO. Now we are going to start our next topic, optimizing website. There are various sections of website which can be optimized for better SEO. Some of the ways to optimize the web page for SEO are: first, SEO page structure optimization. Second, SEO keywords. Third, SEO social bookmarking. Fourth, SEO social media optimization, that is SMO. Fifth is SEO backlinks. Sixth, others factors of SEO. So by using these 6 ways, you can optimize your website for better SEO. Let's start with the first one, SEO page structure optimization. Page structure optimization structure contains some points. HTML programs should start with doc type HTML tag. Means instead of HTML tag, you should start HTML program by using doc type HTML tag. Next important point is, if it is singular tag, for example IMG, it should be self-enclosed like IMG close tag. Normally, singular tag doesn't require to self-enclosed, but for better SEO, you should self-enclose the singular tags. For example, IMG, BR, etc. Next point, order of tags should be proper. Most of the time, recently opened tag will be closed first. To optimize the web page for SEO, it is recommended to use title tag, because title is the first thing that user notices in search result list while using Google for searching. Contents should be up to 60 characters including spaces. So in each web page of website, title tag should be there with the title related to the page content, but the content should be up to 60 characters. Next important tag is meta tag, that is meta description tag. While creating a web page, meta description should be used to boost your on-page SEO. Meta description should be between 70 and 160 character including spaces. In our first chapter of 12th standard, we have already discussed the functioning of meta tag. The meta tag is a tag in HTML that describes some aspects of contents of a web page. The HTML meta tag is used by search engine to search information that is provided with the web page. In our first chapter, we have already discussed about the attributes of meta tag like name, content, charset, http equiv, etc. So on each and every page, meta tag is used or it is expected. The use of meta tag will boost your on-page SEO. Next tags which are recommended are the heading tags. The web page should include proper heading tags from H1 tag to H6 tag whenever required. So on each and every web page, try to use the heading tag. Use the H1 tag for the bigger size and H6 tag for the lower size, small size. Also, you can use the H2, H3, H4 and H6 tags as per your data requirement. Means for displaying the titles and subtitles of the content of the web page, one should use the proper heading tags from H1 to H6 wherever required. Next important point is image tags with alt attribute. The alt attribute gives information about the image, so even if the image does not download it can make the viewers understand the image related information. So while using the img tag, use the alt attribute compulsory for the description of that image. Let's see the examples of optimized web pages. In this example 1, some of the recommended tags are used. Here in head section there is a title tag. In body section there is a H1 tag, paragraph tag, P tag, B tag for bold, I tag for italic. Means one should use all the recommended tags while creating the web page structure. In the example 1, checks the ordering of P tag, B tag and I tag. The innermost tag ends first, followed by the outermost tag. The other basic tags also follow a proper ordering as per the HTML structure. Let's see another example, example 2. In the example 2, the program is started with the doc type HTML tag. There is a title tag within a head section. Also, meta tag is used with two attributes, name and content. In the body section, H1 tag is used, P tag is used and img tag is used with alt attribute. Means in the above example, meta tag is used with important and valid keyword related to that images, like the image source as Statue of Liberty and from the view of optimization of img tag. So in this part we have discussed about some of ways to optimize the web page for SEO, where we have discussed about SEO page structure optimization, title tag, meta description tag, use of heading tags and image tag with alt attribute. Also we have discussed about examples of optimized web pages, where we have seen two examples, example 1 and example 2. In our next part, we will discuss about some of the ways to optimize the web page for SEO, SEO keywords, SEO social bookmarking, SEO, social media optimization, that is SMO, SEO backlinks, and other factors for SEO. Thank you.